Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix speaker not working problem on Realme Narzo Power. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in settings, scroll down and click on sound and vibration. After click on sound and vibration, if you want to fix this problem, so turn off silence mode. After turn off mute, so you will see click on do not disturb. If you want to fix this problem, so turn off do not disturb. After turn off do not disturb, go back to home screen. You will check your problem is solved. But if it not solved, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down to and click on system and update and click on backup and reset. Reset phone and click on reset all settings. After click on reset all settings, enter your phone pin and click on reset. After click on reset, go back to home screen. You will check your problem is solved. But if it not solved, so last solution is restart phone. Just click and hold side power button and restart device from here. After restart phone, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix speaker not working problem on Realme Narzo Power. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.